वेलकम बैक। एक बार आपका फिर से स्वागत करता हूँ। एंड टुडे इन दिस सेशन वी जस्ट go for remaining part of the traditional network. In the last session we discussed what is the actual telephone number network, not telephone number. Network will be distributed along in India. So again I repeat only within 2 minutes. So from starting to till time, we just have main media is the copper wire and help of the copper wire, because copper wire length is 5 kilometer, yeah, 6 kilometer radius only possible. So in this copper meter here were just plan network, your landline telephone, help of the copper. This is not pure copper, cadmium copper basically in the current time. So this cadmium copper near at home, in home, that is LU box, and outside of your home, that is one box is known as DP, and a lot of 5 to 10 customer collection of their telephone wire and go ahead telephone exchange side, and after some movement, there one box is known as pillar. Pillar is nothing, nearby all DP wire collected again here and go ahead exchange side, and where outside of just exchange, yeah, nearby within 30 meter to 15 meter, one same like pillar is the big, this is known as cabinet, and cabinet just inside the exchange. In exchange, the main entry, this is the MDF. MDF is nothing, this is the just collection of all telephone wire nearby 5 to 6 kilometer. Already discussed when person A, suppose you have person A calling to Mr. Person B, and Mr. B person wire is here. So in earlier time there is the in a lot of people working here. This is telephone operator. They are connect two person if wire is inside same MDF. So two person connect to each other. This is the known as a temporary basis local switch. And local switch, this again MDF, again a cabinet, pillar and phone and DP, and then finally connect the telephone. This is the local call. This switch room earlier handled by the manually by the human, then move electromechanical and electronic. This switch diagram you are showing here, this is the electronic switch, and finally currently we just move. Am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible? Okay, 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 okay. I think. Now, if your connection in the same city but telephone exchange is different, so this go for the trunk line, and this trunk line again, suppose person calling to within a city but not same telephone exchange. So in this same, how to this possible? In the every city, in main city, there is one main telephone exchange is installed, and 1986, this is the cable by optical fiber handle in India. So optical fiber already in the last session clearly told to you it's not new technology. It is the old technology, but in the nowadays this copper wire just replaced by the optical fiber only. Otherwise, your network is the from old time to till time is the similar. And again, this main exchange is known as the DTAG. Earlier, this is a digital trunk auto exchange, now completely convert in the new types of switch. This is known as IP switch, Internet Protocol switch. So this switch room is just identify the call person to calling person which exchange belong the same city to connect the this optical fiber, another switch, local switch, and this is the connect to the telephone. So this is a trunk call. Now, if person calling to one city to another city, in this case, how it possible? So the Indian network designed by the British rule, and it is our same time network will be designed like in UK. 1885, the Indian Telegraph Act, no doubt this Telegraph Act designed by the Britain. So they divided India into 4 group: NTR, WTR, STR, and ATR. India, Northern Telecom region, Western and Southern and Eastern. So in on your screen, you can here I just make a diagram like NTR as current Indian map. Okay, so you can very easily identify in NTR, Northern Telecom region, Jammu Kashmir, Punjab, Rajasthan, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh and Uttarakhand, even Delhi is the part of NTR. In every telecom region, there are 2 headquarters. One is the Delhi, another is the Dehradun. Okay. Suppose now if anybody call to same region, suppose I am here in Ghaziabad and same time in calling to the Ghaziabad, in a map you can see this is UP, and same calling suppose Srinagar. This is both are the same region. So in this how to network divide, you can see here. This is suppose I am calling to the same one city to another city, but same region. So this telephone number just connected to in exchange side MDF, and MDF connected to the switch room. This local switch just identify that calling person is not related to the in this wire. This is related to another exchange. So just he send help of the transmission line go to the main exchange. In the my city there is main exchange, definitely another city, every city have main exchange. This is a DTAC. So this CG identify ki calling party by the called party is not related to the same city. So he direct if in same telecom region like here NTR, Srinagar and Ghaziabad both are in the same region. So they are directly connected to the optical fiber. This is the telecom. And for your kind information, from this main line, one city to another city, this main line handled by the BSNL. Doesn't matter are you belonging to which company, maybe Reliance, maybe Tata, maybe Airtel, doesn't matter. Every line, main line, not allowed to everyone may laying. It always handled and controlled by the government of India by default. It handled by the BSNL. Okay. So definitely upcoming time in future, BSNL is always available, always live. It never go for any time close. It hopefully ki your doubt is also clear. Ki BSNL, what is the future of the BSNL? BSNL all time available because the main line never given to any private organization. It may be possible that is a AAA, public PPP model, sorry, triple P, public-private partnership model may be involved, but always hold the government due to the security nature, due to the control of the human. Okay. So next go for another DTAX, and this DTAX identify and in the another city, which local city switch exchange they connected. So this is calling from one city to another city. There is no difference between mobile and landline. Here I just one another diagram show to you. Yeah. Now in this diagram it is very clear. And just explain this is new landline. Okay. No. You go for the mobile communication. Yeah, go for here. Here one diagram for you. Okay. It is very clear till time you can understand that this wire to this connection, every customer required copper wire. So the biggest problem, number of customer is related to number of customer to number of wire. So but day by day, a lot of customer want to the telephone system. So it is not easy to laying cable laying as per requirement in earlier time. So government just identify ki how to solve this situation, this problem. So just this wiring system may be removed. So in this place, just as per new technology mobile, just use of the BTS. This is a tower based transceiver station. and connected from your mobile to this tower. This is wireless, and one tower may be connected 1024 customer. So my mobile and DNI tower you connected, but remaining part are the similar like landline. This tower is connected in your local city. A lot of tower connected to the MDF. Now, as per new technology, MDF is known as the BSC, base station controller. This is nothing. All tower connected to this BSC, and this is optical fiber. Okay, and finally BSC is connected to the switch room. If anybody call mobile A and this another person is also connected to this tower and same customer is here, so they return back. So this is the local call in the mobile. But if you are calling to another side, another location, so the same route, same line may be used. No another line, an extra line will be laying. Again, I repeat, either you use the simple landline, use the mobile communication, use the internet, all are the line are the same. This is known as transmission line. These all are the same. Okay. So if you are Go Mobile, no. Any types of communication system, main line is always same. So suppose anybody call to the mobile to landline. So this is the local switch, not again go to the DTAX. Okay, go to the another city and this connect. If you go for one mobile to another mobile, but there is not a tower connected to the local switch, definitely same manner another connect that person. Okay. So my question is that if you are standing at Bagha border, if two person like you and another person is a Pakistani, same location standing, what is the calling path? This question is starting the last session. So very easy. If you are standing in Bagha border and another the Pakistani, so in your mobile phone, signal is definitely Indian signal, and this signal nearby correct Atari location in the Bagha border. This switch will identify that person is not related to the local switch. So sending to the main city, that is the Amritsar, the main city nearby the Bagha border. Main city detects identify, oh, this calling is not related to NTR. So in this case, every telecom region, there are two headquarters. One is the Delhi, another is the Dehradun in NTR. Same is WTR, Mumbai and Bhopal. ETR, Kolkata and Guwahati. And the same manner south, there is the Bangalore and Chennai. Every telecom zonal, telecom regional, there are two headquarters. So by default, it's sent to Delhi. Suppose sent to Delhi. Identify detect. No, Delhi. Okay, go to the Delhi detect. And detects identify this calling is not related to India. This calling go outside of India. In this case, how it possible? So they sending to the Mumbai. I just one another diagram show to you. Yes, this is the path for you. Go to the Mumbai. This is the Mumbai location. And from Mumbai, submarine optical fiber laying between Mumbai to the Karachi, India and Pakistan. But by default, are you very well known? There is no good relation between India and Pakistan. So how to communication? My communication go to the via Chennai, Singapore, go to the USA, entry, and in the submarine, go to the London, all this go Dubai, and then entry to Afghanistan, and finally go to the Bagha border. And there are two person, one person is Indian, another person is the Pakistani, standing the same location, but due to the long network, you are very easy. The whole world transmit, they go for communicate to each other via mobile phone. So earlier in history, a very important question normally asked to the trainees, either officers, why calling between India and Pakistan is more chargeable in comparison to the America, USA, because this is the path, due to the longest path India and Pakistan between, due to the region, this is the charge is high. Are you getting traditional network? What is the traditional network? There is nothing, any satellite communication use, any other types of communication use. Only main communication is the optical fiber. Okay. So this is a traditional network. Okay. So again, see you tomorrow, again 15 to 20 minutes further new network technology. Okay. Recording session I shared with you. Any doubt, again listen, and again see you tomorrow. Okay. It is
Okay,
sufficient.
sir.
Okay, 15-20 minutes sufficient. It is well.
Yes, sir.
Sometime if required, to I take 4:30 any day and take 30 to 40 minutes 1 hour. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.